Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and today I'm going to do a walk around of this 1999 Toyota Pneumatic forklift, model number 6FGU25, ID number 1903. Before I get too far, let me mention, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on all the equipment that we have available. Now this one, if you're looking for a used forklift, this one might be perfect for you. It has a base capacity of 5,000 pounds and it runs on gasoline. You'll see here that it has three-way hydraulics. Now coming up here to the mast, this is a three-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 189 inches and it has your hang-on side shift. Now this comes with your choice of 42 or 48 inch standard tapered forks. Now, looking at the tires, these are black traction solid pneumatic tires, and you can see up here on the front that we have these forward-facing headlights. Now coming around to the back, you'll see that we have these combination lights on the back and a yellow strobe. Now those combination lights show you your turn signals as well as your brakes and your reverse. Now, if you have any questions or you'd like to demo this truck or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com. And like I said earlier, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other equipment features that you need to know about.